Go on ahead. Wow, what this store used to be before?
I don't remember. I think it was Bullock's though.
Holy cow. This is a beautiful elevator.
Triple lined Otis logo.
Wait, keep... Wow. Okay, push a button and let's go up. Oh, wow. I'm gonna get on this side.
Go for it. Switch?
Yeah, what do you mean? Oh,
Get another one.
sure.
Think about it this way. There are more elevators than there are floors served.
I noticed that.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Now.
Oh.
We got this one. Wait, there's this cool. Well, there's this in the other elevator. Oh, here it is. What's this right here? Whatever that was, it used to be very vintage. The lighting is a little bit better in this elevator.
Yeah, it is. Sounds more epic too. Oh. What is that?
Let's get off that view.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll probably end my video there. You can still get yours.
Oh yeah.
I'll go with you though. We can still. These are amazing elevators. I can ride these all day.
Thank you.